Dear JC2 chemistry student, if you feel like dying, don't stop trying your best.
Chemistry is a mix of courage, hard work, enthusiasm, meticulous, innovation, stamina, tenacity, resilience, and a lot of why. You must be able to explain the why.
Because chem is try, not chemistry.
Think like a proton and stay positive.
If you are feeling stressed, think of the Sharpless principle. Your system will adjust to relieve that stress for you.
Stay positive like a cat ion.
Take a break, have a snack. Organic molecules are everywhere.
Drink lots of water. Don't worry, you will not lose your concentration.
Life is a chemistry. Evaporate your worries, dilute your frustrations, filter your mistakes, boil your ambition. You will get the crystal of happiness and success.
We walk in and out of chemistry exam hall with 3 atoms of helium.
He,